Welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the trust message not showing on your iPhone. So, if you're trying to connect your iPhone to a computer or another device, and the trust this computer message is not appearing, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off. After that, go back to the main settings page. Scroll up and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Location and Privacy. You will be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. Once the reset is complete, unplug your USB-C cable and then plug it back into your iPhone. Now you should see the Trust This Computer message appear. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to AppWiz for more helpful videos.